Hello guys, it's Lucky75 from Hardware Heaven channel. Today I want to show you unboxing of this amazing capture card. This one is Elgato Cam Link 4K, which is great if you want to connect your camera to your computer like widescreen web camera. So only things you need is this capture card together with HDMI cable, micro HDMI from the camera side and normal HDMI male for the capture card, and this will bring you a perfect video quality in 4K 30p. So let's see what we have inside. Just a moment. Alright. Alright, so what we have here, we have a capture card itself with USB cable. It's USB 3. Also the capture card is USB 3. Very nice, very good product. And what else we have here? A very good documentation and one beautiful Elgato sticker. Alright, that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.